Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can use dark mode or change your appearance on your TikTok from your laptop or your PC. To do so, first of all, just open up your Google browser and then log into your TikTok account. After logging into your TikTok account, you can see that you are on the For You page of TikTok. And after you are on the For You page of TikTok, you can see there is an option for profile icon on the top right side of your screen. If you hover your mouse over the profile icon, these options will appear. And you can see that on the bottom right here, there is an option for dark mode. If you click on this dark mode, you can see these options: light mode or dark mode, or you can also use device theme by default. You can choose any kind of theme you like. For now, I am going to change my TikTok theme into light mode, and here you can see my theme has been changed. So this is how you can change your appearance on TikTok from light to dark or dark to light. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.